My very dear brothers and sisters, yeah, it's me again. Okay, about the condition that I was talking to you in my previous video, they were like the 2 months I was not allowed to go home, but during those 2 months I was living on a friend of mine in his basement. I was sleeping in his basement, but the thing is, that man, had his wife and his 2 kids, so I was kind of violating their private life, so it was no good. And during those 2 months I have tried to commit suicide 2 times after that, and when I went to my final trial to get my sentence, there was a case withdrawal because the Crown attorney decided to bring my little girl in a different room, and there was military police, the social worker, and the witness that I have chosen. Okay, the Crown attorney decided to ask my little girl, "Hey, who did that to you?" He said, "Oh, it's Luc Bordeaux, a little guy, my bad friend. He's a very bad friend to me." So the Crown attorney turned his head toward the social worker and the military police and said, "Don't tell me you didn't know that." Okay, so he decided to come back in front of the judge and ask for a case withdrawal or a case cease of proceeding. Okay. After that, I was not done because I still had another trial on the public side, because the Children Aid Society of Ottawa, that bunch of fucking jerk-ass, they tried to incriminate me for that I was not able to address my family the right thing, the right manner. Okay, so the civilian court decided to close the case. Okay, but after that I was being harassed by the Children Aid Society of Ottawa. Okay, they were intimidating me all the time. Okay, so this is why I keep asking people that, since the RCMP intimidate me, the Children Aid Society of Ottawa intimidate me. Okay, they intimidate me big time. The federal government intimidate me big time as well, because they won't reply to my emails. It is intimidation that you have to consider big time, and harassment. Harassment. I've been harassed by all kind of people in Ottawa. I've been harassed by the human rights. Okay, I've been harassed by military police. I've been harassed by the federal government. I've been harassed by the Children Aid Society of Ottawa. Okay, so those four fucking factors were the right thing for me in order to make those videos, because of the harassment and intimidation that I had to live with that all the time. From then until now, I still have everything in mind. I have in mind like since the corporal, like the military police arrested me and put my hand along the wall. It just like if it happened this morning. Okay, it happened a long time ago, but just I keep that in mind. I remember the whole thing. Okay, I will not tell my story again because this has already been done a while back. But you know everything about me. Okay, you know everything about me because I've told you the whole thing. I published my story twice already. Okay, so my story might be known by you. Okay, so I don't have to tell my story again. I would like to thank you very much for, first of all, regarding my videos, if they're good or not, reading my emails, if they're good or not. Well, I don't have a clue because I never get email from you. I'm only getting email from one person, and that person, I like it by heart. That person is my best friend, and I have a lot of good friends too. One from Nova Scotia, one from Ontario, a couple from BC, one from Saskatchewan, one from Manitoba. All across the country I have friends there. Okay, I don't know them. I don't know them personally, but you can be sure that sometimes I write them emails, but just about it. I'm sure that they're not seeing my videos because they're not on my mailing list. And the thing is, I don't have well, I do have their email address, but I don't want to send them videos without knowing if they will like it or not, okay? I have to consider that myself, because, you know, I'm just placing myself in their foot, like, if myself I don't like videos and I keep sending them video all the time, it's very bad, you know, it's a bad it's a bad habit, you know. Now you're getting my videos, possibly you don't like it, but I don't know if you don't like it. But please tell me if you don't like it. I will simply remove you from my mailing list. You know, I like to say bad things against the federal government, but I cannot only say bad things. They might be doing good things as well, you know. But as far as I'm concerned, they have not done a good thing so far, okay? The liberal federal government hasn't done anything good for us so far, okay? It is, well, I believe it is the way it is. We have to study all the time what Mr. Trudeau is doing, because Mr. Trudeau, you know what he's doing right now? He's trying to forget just about everything. Like, if he's forgetting Omar Khadr, he's forgetting SNC-Lavalin, and there might be many other scandal that Mr. Trudeau got in. I have put the list a couple time ago. A couple time that I had put my list, the list that the wrong thing that has been doing for our country. But I'm assuming that that list is should be a little longer than that, because these are the only points that were we got in public, you know. But some other point that didn't go in public, we must have heard it from other place or in any other manner, you know. When I talk about manner, okay, I'm talking about maybe on the net, maybe by emails, or maybe by videos, or maybe on Twitter, on Facebook. I don't know, but I don't have a clue. But every time I see something interesting, I always download it to my place, and you know, I keep, well, not only I'm taking the link from there, but I'm also putting the link in my email, so you can go and you can see it. But the best way in order to see it, you know, you have to copy the link that I'm putting in email and paste in your the line on the top of your web browser, okay? So you're gonna have the right video to see, okay? I'm sure that you know how to do it, because if you were not able to watch it, you would have sent me an email and I would have explained you how to do that, you know. I know a lot of things about just about everything in computer, but you know, you have to be real secure too, eh? Because you know, with that many hackers we have online so far, or scanners, you know, you have to be really careful, because you have viruses, you have Trojan horse, you have ransomware. You know, ransomware, if you ever get caught of having one, please reformat, but reformat 2 or 3 times in order to make sure that you don't have any you don't have the rest of what's on right now. Even if you restore your computer like a couple of days back, you're still gonna have that fucking shit, because that fucking shit is right there. Is always on. It's a Trojan horse, but that Trojan horse remain in memory, or it is placed somewhere in your computer, but you have to find it. Do a regedit and do a search, and just type in the name and delete everything from your registry base, because if you don't do that, it will always be loading all the time. Like I have one myself. I have a Trojan that keep loading all the time in this computer, but the thing is, it keep getting removed all the time by my spyware. Okay, so I don't see it, and there is no danger for you when you open up this video. You can be sure you have no virus at all in my videos. There is no virus in my videos, because I check them all on YouTube before, in order to put the link in my email. So my videos are very safe. So I would like to thank you so much for taking the time to look at my videos, and again, there will be more to come. Have a nice day, and please don't eat too much. Okay, bye.